Still using that vacation selfie on LinkedIn? Here's where that might be costing you opportunities and how to fix that in literally seconds with AI. I'm here in Google AI Studio, which is at aistudio.google.com. I am logged in with a free account. We're going to use the new Nano Banana Gemini 2.5 flash image. I'm going to find my picture. So you can see this is literally a bad selfie. This is a cute picture, right? It's approachable, it's nice, it's friendly. But what is going on with this background? It's a selfie, obviously. This would not fly on LinkedIn. This would not get you a job on LinkedIn. So let's fix that and scrape out this little default prompt they have in here these days. It says generate an image of a banana wearing a costume. And I am going to put in a pretty generic prompt. I'm saying this guy is in IT leadership. Having something that looks like you're someone in your industry is supposed to be helpful. So we're going to leverage that. And yeah, run the prompt. All right, 8.7 seconds. Nice. Make this picture brighter and more eye-catching. I don't know if I know what I mean. I feel like better lighting. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, I feel like we have a winner. Let's click back to Google AI Studio. Hide all this nonsense because we're not going to be doing that. Nano Banana. Select a photo. Upload photo. And pick this lovely picture. Nice smile. Happy. Looks approachable. But shirt's a little low cut. She's in a bar. She looks like a vacation selfie. And we know from the data that they don't like that. They don't like this. They would not even hire you for having this on your resume. But we're going to take this as the basis and create a much better picture. I'm using the exact same prompt. She is also going to be an IT leader. See if there's anything else I need to pay attention to her. We changed this slightly to make sure that she's facing forward. Did the same thing with slightly whiten the teeth. Hey, can't hurt, right? And we'll see what we get. Yeah. I do like that. I wonder if it couldn't stand out a little bit more. I like what we did here. I want to copy what I just did in the last one, and I'm going to try the same thing. Yeah, it looks better lit. It looks more like a studio photo to me, this one right here. Yeah, I like that a lot. She looks friendly. She looks good. She looks like a competent, happy, approachable person, right? Much better than the dark one the first time. And there you go. Just upload that onto LinkedIn and you should have much better results than whatever you got going on there. So try it yourself. You can use any decent photo you have, or you can take one right from within Google Gemini. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how much better your results look. And if you find this content helpful, subscribe for more practical tutorials to help you learn AI.